today, it's September 19. Nung September 17, on the way kami sa Harvey Norman. And then, hindi pa ako nakapag-decide. Nandun kami, sabi nung ano, kasi I was thinking to get the 256GB or yung 512 mga bebe ko. So, sabi niya, tingnan ko yung old na laptop mo ko, ilan ang nagamit mo. So, yung laptop ko na HP mga bebe ko, it's punong-puno na siya. It's 1000GB, like 1TB na siya. So, sabi niya, siguro, pag-isipan mo mabuti kung ano talaga. So, ginawa ko, bumalik kami. And then, yun, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog mga bebe ko kasi nahilo ako. I lay down. And then kahapon, hindi rin ako nakapag-vlog kahapon mga bebe ko kasi nasa doktor ako and then nagpa-blood test ako for gestational diabetes, ganyan. And yung nagpa-blood test din ako ng blood test for blood group, antibodies, mga ganyan-ganyan. Ang dami nilang kinuhang dugo. Mga ilang bottle na ganyan, 7. And yun, awan ng Diyos, after no nag-fasting ako, before no nag-fasting muna ako mga baby ko, so na-faint ako, pag uwi namin ng bahay, nanginginig na ako na na-faint kasi wala nga akong kinain, so ginawa ko, nag-lay down, and then we had a barbecue, pag-gising ko ng hapon, nag-barbecue kami sa veranda, doon kila mami, doon sa likod nila, doon sa pinag-birthdayan ko, yung doon kami kumain ng birthday mga bebe ko. So yun, after nun, I felt better na mga bebe ko. And then, chinek na yung glucose ko, 5.0. Sabi niya 5, which is good, normal siya. Pero, hintayin natin yung diabetes yan. Kasi napaka-importante yan para sa ating baby. And ito si babe, teka, masyadong mababa. Ayan, good morning, Baba. Good morning, mga ate ko, baba ko, mga kuya ko. Morning. Ayan na si baby natin. Ayan. Talking about daddy-in-law Charles, mga bebe ko. Si Daddy Scott nasa work na. And si daddy-in-law mag-news siya sa inyo. Kaya abangan nyo mga bebe ko. Ma-enjoy nyo lang habang ako ay maggatas at mag-aayos sa kitchen.
Hello world, this is Charles. Welcome to my news program representing Australia. Let me just read. Australia today, we have lovely weather. In Adelaide, 16 degrees. Brisbane, 27 degrees. Darwin, 34 degrees. Hobart, 13 degrees. Melbourne, 15 degrees. Perth, 21 degrees. And sunny city of Sydney is 28 degrees. This is great weather for us in Australia this time of the year. We hope you've got the same weather wherever you are. This is your news and program read by Charles from Australia. We are sad to hear that the floods in the Philippines, Japan and China and the United States have lost lives. We send our condolences to all the families around the world who have lost loved ones. Today we have a great sporting of rugby league on the weekend between my Rabbitohs, the Rabbitohs hat, and the Sydney Roosters. The Sydney Roosters. Now it's a big game on Saturday night in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. And it's my beloved Rabbitohs that are playing for the... Just hang on, mate. I'm on national TV around the world. I'll ring you back. How about that? I want to talk to the world first before a mate of mine. However, we send our condolences to all the people involved in all the countries that have lost lives during those awful floods in those countries. The Philippines, Japan, China and America. God bless you all. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, my daughter-in-law Juliet is having a baby and she's 3.5 months pregnant. We don't know if it's a boy or girl, but we're sending out news to all you people to name the baby for Juliet and my son Scott. So if you'd like to go on to Juliet's
comments below.
There, the blog comments, and put the name down that you think we should name the new baby, a boy or girl. So we don't know if it's a boy or girl, so just put your names down and we will select a name and let you know when the baby's born. So it's a big competition for everyone around the world to name this new baby who's going to be something special. To all of mums and dads, may I pass on my very best wishes to all you people for your love to your children. Always give them a big hug and a kiss every day and tell them you love them. May I say, on behalf of my family, we wish you all the very best, and I hope you enjoyed this little news column from Daddy Charles. Bye for now. Thank you.
Thank you, Dad. Okay, para sa mga estudyante na nagbo-boarding, kung college kayo or high school, tapos gusto nyo magluto ng napakasimpleng ulam lang, kung mahilig kayo sa kamatis at itlog, so ayan, mag-ano lang kayo, chop lang kayo ng bawang at sibuyas, and then pag na-chop nyo yan, igigisa mo lang yung sibuyas at bawang. Pag nag-brown na sila, ilagay mo yung kamatis. And after nung kamatis, ilagay mo na yung itlog. Ihalo-halo mo sila. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano. O, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano igisa. Ewan ko kung kita nyo ng mabuti. Wala tayong ilaw. Teka, ilaw ko. Yan. Okay. I-turn on mo lang yung shilling. Shilling. Yung ano. Nagluto ako ng peanuts, mani kahapon, naggisa ako ng mani. Masarap siya. Okay. Gamitin natin yung mantika na sunflower oil. Ayan. Kasi yung ano, yung organic na extra virgin olive oil, hindi ko siya bet yung amoy niya. Para, malansang ano, hindi ko maintindihan. Oh my gosh. Hindi pa ako nag-milk. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya mga bebe ko, yung mga vitamins na tinitake ni Mami Juliet. Yan, lipat natin dun sa mas malaki. Yan. Kain! Mga bebe ko, luto na yung ating kamatis. Craving kami ni baby ng kamatis na may egg. Oh, para mahulog ito. Okay, let's eat. Kamatis na may, hindi ko pa siya tinikman eh. Sana okay yung lasa. Yung lasa niya. Sarap. Ito mga bebe ko. Naalala ko nung nasa probinsya ako. Grabe. Ito yung ilagi ko inuulam pag breakfast, ganyan. Bago ako pumasok. O tuyo. Namiss ko ng tuyo. Oh my gosh. Sarap. Maghahanap ako ng tuyo. Punta kami sa ibang Filipina shop mga bebe ko. Maghahanap ako ng tuyo. Craving ako sa tuyo eh. Pero may galunggong dito. Nag-prito ako ng galunggong last time. Tapos tilapia meron din. Sa ano, East Garden. Meron din bangus mga bebe ko. Sarap. Mamasyal sa East Garden. Ang tagal ko nang din nakapasyal dun mga bebe ko. Parang window shopping lang, lakad-lakad. I-try ko lumabas mamaya. Kaya lang kasi yung feelings ko pa, parang pag nahihilo kasi ako mga bebe ko, gusto ko ihiga ako kaagad. Eh doon, baka parang kung mahilo ako, pwede naman ako umupo. Kaya lang, na-paranoid kasi ako eh. Nung nasa Sydney kami, nasa city kami, darling Ann. Nasa Sephora kami noon, as in, grabe yung muntik na ako na faint doon, pero nilabanan ko lang mga bebe ko. Buti na lang nandun si Ann. Kasama ko. Kaya minsan paranoid akong lumabas ng mag-isa pag yung ganito yung feelings ko. So nasa na tayo ngayon, second trimester na tayo. Okay, hugas tayo ng plato. Dahil kumain ka, maghugas ka ng pinagkainan mo. Dapat ganun talaga. Huwag tamad-tamad. Huwag tamad-tamad. Tulungan ng ating mga magulang sa paghuhugas ng plato. Para sa mga junakis ko na estudyante dyan. With the great hearts in Hello mga bebe ko, mga bebe ka! Kagising ko lang, nakatulog kami ni baby. Nag-start ako natulog 2 o'clock. Nagising ako 5 o'clock and ngayon 5:30 na. So mag-ilang oras yung lulugo? 1, 2, 3 hours! My gosh! Antok lagi si baby. Sabi ka nun. And drink tayo ng choco ice flavor. Sobrang craving kasi ako sa choco mga bebe ko at the moment. So, nakapamili kami 7-Eleven kagabi. Isa lang. Try ko lang siya muna kasi pangit na mabili ng medyo marami. Tapos, hindi ko pala gusto yung lasa, no? Tikman ko muna siya. Ganun ako eh. Hindi ako basta-basta bumili ng maramihan. Agad-agad. Bumibili lang ako ng isa, ganyan. And then, try ko. Eh, pag nagustuhan ko, that's when, oh my gosh. Tapos yung face natin, medyo nagki-clear out siya. Ba't kaya ganun? Pagka gising mo, blooming. Pero pag throughout the day na nagising ka na, parang mong sabog na yung mukha. And tapusin ko lang kainin yung coconut drops. Mga bebe ko. Gusto ko sana dito tayo umupo. Oh. It's very comfortable. Doon tayo upo. And turning on the TV. Doon kayo mag-dinner kila mami. Kasi, always nagluluto si mami. Kasi alam niya na bawal sa akin mapagod all the time. Nagluluto ako ng sarili kong lunch. Pero pag yung dinner, ganyan. Doon kami kila mami kumakain. Bait ng mga in-laws ko, mga bebe ko. Salamat lagi kay Panginoon Diyos dahil pinagkalooban niya ako ng sobrang bait ng mga in-laws. And I'm sure makayo rin mga bebe ko, no? Swerte tayo. Okay. Ini-edit ko lang yung yung tikman nga muna natin to. Oh, yung sarap. In fairness, masarap siya. Health and well-being, sabi niya. We love to hear from you. It is chocolate flavor made in saan to? Fabric, Australia. Australian Health and Nutritious Associated. So, Australian owned siya. New Zealand. Meron din sila nito. Bili tayo next time. Ang nanam. Ayan! Nag-lipstick tayo. Gamit ko yung lip tint para naman hindi pale na pale yung ating mukha. And then, punta na kila mom and dad, mga bebe ko. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Chicken is natural at saka vegetables. Kailangan ko ng vegetables. Pero, kahit ayoko yung snitchel darling. Mga bebe ko, pero pilitin natin para kay Baba. Kasi, importante ang meat din, no? So, kailangan ko talaga pilitin kumain kahit ayoko yung kakainin ko. Ganyan talaga, kailangan sacrifice para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay, diba? Ay, ang asawa ko, magsasampay siya. Thank you, babe. Kauwi lang niya eh. Tapos, ito yung mga ni-wash ng asawa ko, mga bebe ko. Si Mami ang nagpla-plancha. Kasi, hindi ako pwede magplancha dahil nga sabi ng doktor ko at saka midwife, kailangan talaga doble ingat this time, mga bebe ko. So, hindi ako nagpla-plancha. Si Mami lahat ang nagpla-plancha. Si Daddy ang taga-sampay. Si Habi ko ang tay, babe.
Hello.
And then, si Scott ang mga bebe ko, nagwa-wash. Niwa-washing machine naman. Si Daddy naman ang taga-sampay. Punta siya dito. Tapos si Mami ang taga-plancha, babe. You doing the washing, Mom and Dad doing the line, and then Mom doing the ironing. And, ang trabaho ni Mami Juliet? Ang trabaho ni Mami Juliet is lamon ng lamon sa katulog. Yun ang trabaho namin ni Baba. Oh my gosh. Pero ako naman nagluluto at naglilinis din sa kitchen sometimes. Pero si Scott more often siya. Tapos nagamit na namin to kahapon. First time. Ayan, i-share ko sa inyo. Ito yung ating vitamins D, Oste Vitamin D. Ayan, for Baba, para sa amin dalawa. At saka yung Elevate for Baba and I. Tapos ito naman yung ating Omega 3 Triple Strength for Baba and I. Yan yung ating vitamins na tatlo, mga bebe ko, na tinitake ko. I started tinake ko sila nung nalaman kong buntis ako. Nagpa-blood test ganyan nung 8 weeks. 8 weeks na. So, yeah. And tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Tapos ito, tuloy-tuloy ito hanggang paglabas ni Baba, hanggang magdedede siya sa akin. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Yung vitamin D ko, ituloy-tuloy ko lang din sa mga yan. Okay? Tapos yung ice choco ko, hindi ko pa siya naubos. Save ko na lang yan mamaya. Ilagay na lang muna natin sa fridge. And mag-Yakult ako. Dala ako ng Yakult kila Mom and Dad. Mom, have a look. Hi, Mom. Look at my mom.
Hello, hello.
We're cooking together. Got a new haircut, mga bebe ko. Very
New
pretty.
haircut.
I love it, Mom.
I love
It's
it
really
too.
suit you. Yeah. So we're cooking.
So,
Mom, I'm gonna watch Mom how to cook her chicken schnitzel, and then Mom teach me how to cook gray box. So it's just 250 water, 250 ml. So 550 ml. Tapos gray box powder, and you just have to watch it all the time, Mom, right?
yes, sure.
Darling. So Mom, can I see it?
I'm having this.
For sure, wine, Mom. Cheers! 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 We're cooking together! So, Mom, what are you gonna do with that?
That's the dryness chicken.
Cheese.
Cheers! Oh, you gotta grill it. Cheers! You gotta grill it first, huh?
No,
Fry.
try it.
Okay.
Then when it's finished, look, don't stay away. I think there's news on the TV.
Don't tell
I put on
them.
heated drain.
What did you put, Mom?
Well, I did an egg and a little bit of milk in a container and mixed up, and then I switched them in it, and then I put them in the fridge.
Oh, I see. And then
Oh.
fry them?
Fry. Yeah.
Okay, and then after fry them,
I put them on heated drain and then in the oven. No, on the table.
Oh,
By that
that's
time.
it. Oh, you don't need to put in the oven. Ah, okay.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Mom, can I
Okay.
show them your powder?
What powder?
The one that you used this one?
You
Yes.
make it on down
Where
there.
is it?
I don't know.
Like, you know, just the...
Here we are.
Oh God, look.
Hello world.
This is Charles and Scott.
Father and son show.
Here. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hello, everybody.
That's Mom's Grey Book recommended, mga bebe ko, for chicken. So Mom's recommended this Grey Book. So good. You can find them or get them from where, Mom?
Supermarket, Coles.
Supermarket or Coles.
Show us your belly, Mrs. Jilly.
It's getting bigger. Mom, do you still have the, you know the, do you still have the snake shell? That one?
What do you mean?
You still have that?
They're breadcrumbs.
The breadcrumbs?
Yeah, they're in the other cupboard.
Does it come up? Oh, there is it.
It has been a very warm and
Oh,
sunny day
well.
with gusty
Hang on, I can't leave this down. It's going lumpy.
It's okay, Mom, later.
especially on the coast area. You can get 16 degrees, 15 in the city, in the harbour.
Yes. First time cooking with my mom-in-law. I love mom cooking. It's very healthy. Sabi niya, I have to come here when she cook vegetables and breast chicken is #1 from Aussie. Mom, you're not a big fan of bones, isn't it? You like breast chicken.
Yeah.
So this is Mom's breadcrumbs, mga baby ko. Mom, do you know the name of the packet? Do you remember?
Oh, there's a few different brands.
Yeah, you can find them in Coles
Yeah,
as well.
yeah,
Yeah?
few different
You
brands.
can find them at Coles. So this is very looking so good, mga baby ko. And then you have to mix with egg.
Egg and a little bit of milk, not much.
So good because every time I
And then
want to
you
make
fill in the
one.
breadcrumbs.
The gravy is looking so good na, mga baby ko.
16 degrees in Wollongong, 17 in Newcastle.
See you later. Thank you.
Price tag. I think they're seeing pretty good deals to sign up for 2 years.
Plus the young father who asked police for help but instead copped a spray. Those stories soon.
Mondo
It was a
still.
quick trip to the shops that turned into a terrifying ordeal that could leave this mum in a wheelchair. Lydia says she was rammed by members of a notorious spoon cartel after she encountered them doing burnouts. So just lost faith in
What's it like driving a little now?
I'm very anxious.
Did it take you back to that day?
Absolutely,
Camera?
Oh, what's going on? Okay, Dad.
Ready?
Yes.
Hello world, this is Charles. Thank you for watching me do this cooking here.
And the news today?
I was on today talking to you about certain things. And have a look at that. This is great cooking. We're cooking chicken fillets and a lovely pot of gravy here. I hope that everybody loves what I'm cooking, and I hope that you're having a good dinner at home also across the world. Don't forget to give your kids a lovely hug and a kiss every night. Bye-bye.
And to Mom. Sweet potato. Yes, Dad. I'm having that one, Dad. Please. Okay, Dad. Ayan. Kain.